This is Rebecca Schiffstall with DigitalThinker. This is the first of a two-part series on generating supplier requisitions for low stock parts. Tracking inventory in HxGN EAM is crucial for several reasons. Effective inventory management ensures the right parts and materials are available when needed, which is essential to maintaining operational efficiency and minimizing downtime. Tracking inventory ensures the availability of critical parts, reduces excess inventory, improves maintenance planning, facilitates the procurement process, and provides transparency to support data-driven decisions. One HxGN EAM inventory feature is the ability to generate supplier requisitions for low stock parts. Here I have a part record for utility rope. When setting up parts for reordering, you will need to start on the Parts screen, Stores tab. Each store can have a unique set of order details. For my central storeroom, I have defined the preferred supplier. This field must be populated to support generating supplier requisitions for low stock parts. I have also selected a stock method and entered the reordering details. Please note the INVMeth install parameter controls the default stock method. In this example, my stock method is set to min-max, which allows for entering a minimum quantity and a maximum quantity. When utilizing min-max, it is important to know that MRE order install parameter controls whether the reorder triggers at or below the minimum quantity. My system is configured to trigger when the quantity reaches 600 and will reorder the necessary quantity to meet the maximum quantity of 1200. The other stock method that facilitates generating supplier requisitions for low stock parts is reorder level. This option allows for defining a reorder level and an order quantity. This is a great option if you reorder by volume, as you can designate the reorder quantity to align with the preferred supplier's minimum order quantity and quantity per UOP. Now, the third stock method is on demand. If selected, stock is replenished when there is a demand from a work order or store-to-store requisition. So I will go ahead and set this back to my min and max. And while I am on this screen, I will go ahead and point out the ABC class, as you can generate requisitions by ABC class. Now stay tuned for part 2 as we review how to generate supplier requisitions for low stock parts. Thank you.